Places A and B are 10 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time at different speeds. If the cars travel in the same direction, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What is the speed of the cars? So here we have two cars. One car is at the point A and the other car is at the point B. These 2 points are separated by 100 kilometers distance. So one car will start from A and the other car will start from B at the same time with but the speed is different. So if the cars travel in the same direction, they meet at a point after 5 hours. If the two cars travels in opposite direction, they meet in 1 hour. So we need to find the speed of the two cars. Let the speed of the first car be x kilometer per hour and the speed of the second car be y kilometer per hour. Our first condition is if the cars are traveling in the same direction, means the two cars are traveling towards point C. Let us consider this point C is the point where the two cars meet after 5 hours. So the car A is starting from A to reach to C and the car which is at B is starting from B to reach to C and they both meet at C at the same time. Now the distance traveled by the first car is AC. So AC is equals to AB plus BC. Now the distance traveled by the second car. Second car started from B and reached C. So the distance traveled by the second car is BC. Now we have 100 kilometers which is fixed the distance of AB. So to find that we will subtract the AB plus BC minus BC. So distance traveled by first car minus distance traveled by second car. The differences between distance traveled is given as 100 kilometers. So AB plus BC minus BC. BC minus BC is 0. So AB plus BC minus BC is AB. BC and BC will get cancelled here. So AB we have as 100 kilometers. Now distance traveled by first car minus distance traveled by the second car is 100 kilometers. We know that speed is equals to distance by time. So distance is equals to speed multiplied by time. Now we have the speed of the first car as x and the speed of the second car as y. And for both we have the time here is 5 hours. So distance traveled by the first car is x into 5 and distance traveled by the second car is y into 5. Speed of the first car times 5 hours minus speed of the second car times 5 hours is equals to 100 kilometers. So 5x minus 5y is equals to 100. So we can take common 5. So 5 into x minus y is equals to 100. Transposing this 5 on the right hand side, 100 divided by 5 is 20. So x minus y is equals to 20. Let us take this as equation 1. Now let us analyze the second condition, which is if the cars traveling in the opposite direction, they meet in 1 hour. Let us consider they meet at the point D after 1 hour. So the distance traveled by the first car is AD, the distance traveled by the second car is BD. Now we know that AD plus BD is 100 kilometers, which is the initial distance between two cars. So sum of the distance traveled is AD plus BD, which is equals to 100 kilometers. Now distance traveled by the first car plus distance traveled by the second car is equals to 100 kilometers. So we know the formula for speed is equals to distance by time. So distance is equals to speed multiplied by time. So distance traveled by the first car is distance of the first car times 1 hour plus distance speed of the second car times 1 hour is equals to 100 kilometers. So now we have speed of the first car as x and speed of the second car as y. So x plus y is equals to 100. Our first equation was x minus y is equals to 20. Now we have second equation, which is x plus y is equals to 100. Now we need to solve these two equations and get the values of x and y. So from first equation x minus y is equals to 20, we can transpose y on the right hand side and write x is equals to y plus 20. Now substituting the value of y is equals to x is equals to y plus 20 in equation 2, which is x plus y is equals to 100, we will get y plus 20 plus y is equals to 100. So we have y plus y is 2y, and transpose this 20 on the right hand side, that will be 100 minus 20 as 80. So 2y is equals to 80, y is equals to 80 divided by 2, 40. So y is the distance traveled by the y is the speed of the second car. Speed of the second car is 40. Now to find the value of x, which is the speed of the first car, we need to substitute in any of the equation. Substituting y is equals to 40 in equation 1, which is x minus y is equals to 20. So x minus 40 is equals to 20. Transposing this 40 on the right hand side, we will get x is equals to 40 plus 20. So x is equals to 40 plus 20 is 60. Therefore, the speed of the first car is